हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। मैं हूँ उर्शीन, आपकी टैरो रीडर एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल द मैजिकल ऑरा। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन सो यू विल नॉट मिस द लेटेस्ट रीडिंग्स। And please follow my Instagram and Facebook pages as well, the Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. I think that's all with the announcement, so let's proceed with your reading. Hi Librans, how are you? So today we are going to do the general reading of the Sun, Moon, Rising Venus for the month May 2020. These are general readings, Librans, so they might or might not resonate with all of you. And the deck which I'm using is the Anna K Tarot deck. ये मेरा first deck था and I really love this deck a lot because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा connect होती हूँ. जो energies आती हैं they are really commendable whenever I use this deck. Okay, so let's proceed with the reading of Librans. Libra May 2020. The back of the deck is King of Pentacles. Okay, so might be dealing with a Capricorn. I don't know क्यों लिब्रा के कार्ड्स में आजकल King of Pentacles बहुत आ रहा है. अभी हाल फिलहाल में मैंने और लिब्रंस की भी रीडिंग करी थी एंड यू नो बहुत King of Pentacles मुझे दिख रहे हैं. Let's see क्या है. Okay, so the first card, that is the present. What is going on present? King of Cups. So you are feeling in love. Okay, Libran. And yeah, so what's crossing over is the Three of Cups. There might be some is there some third party situation, Librans? Okay, you might be dealing it, or it can be just you and your friends, but you are feeling in love, but अपने friends से नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं अभी. एक ये है. And the other energy which I'm getting is you are loving the wrong person, might be. Yeah, because this is a third party situation. That person might not be loving you because वो किसी और से प्यार करता है. Oh, might be possible. We'll see. So what's on your mind, Libran? So it's lovers. Yes, you are deeply and madly in love. So what's in the recent past? The Sun. Oh my God, all these cards. You might be dealing with a Leo. You might be dealing with a Gemini, or you might be dealing with a water sign, that is Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Okay. So what is the reason of the reading is Two of Cups. What are you doing, Librans? So much love. Oh my God. Okay, so what's the near future? High Priestess. Okay. So how are you actually feeling? You are feeling like Nine of Pentacles. You are single. Yeah, but you love yourself. I don't know, Librans love themselves. People around you, how are they behaving? They are being Six of Wands. They might be okay. So maybe they are coming up in the surface, and people are loving this person. Yeah. Okay, this person, he or she might be like अभी बहुत ज़्यादा people are really loving this person. Okay, so how are you feeling emotionally? Four of Cups. Why? What happened? Emotionally there is love, but still you are not able to accept it. This is the problem with Librans. सब कुछ होता है, but still you are like, oh my God, whether I should go to this person or not. Why are you confused, Libran? Why? Okay, so what is the final outcome? Is the Justice. It's you. Justice is Libra. Okay, yeah, at the end, because you really need, क्या होता है Librans को क्या चाहिए होता है? उनको चाहिए होता है कि झूठ नहीं पसंद है, कुछ भी कर लो पर झूठ नहीं बोलना. ठीक है. Okay, so right now you are dealing with someone who is very lovable. See, I don't feel like the other person with whom you are dealing with वो बुरा नहीं है. That person is not bad, but it might be possible कि वो किसी चीज़ों से deal कर रहा हो, और that is why you are feeling a little like what will happen, because कहीं ना कहीं आपको ना मालूम है कि what is the final outcome? You might be dealing with a Cancer or Pisces. So like कि आपको पता है कि क्या होने वाला है. You really love this person a lot. बहुत प्यार है, बहुत passion है, but आपको मालूम है कि there are some things which they will just happen when the time will come. कोई भी चीज़ एकदम से नहीं होती है. Always remember that. It will take some time, but I really feel कि चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छी रहेंगी. Yeah. And you are just loving yourself. You love yourself. आप साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, just being the way you are, and that's really good. Okay, so let's see the messages from the universe. Okay, so Judgment. Okay, 3 of Swords and 2 of Wands. Okay, so the messages on the universe is कि प्यार में पागल कभी नहीं होना है. There is always something. This card, 2 of Wands, ये आपको बहुत क्रॉस रोड में, you are not able to decide कि मैं क्या करूँ, कहाँ जाऊँ. So what will happen? The 3 of Swords happen at that time. जब आप डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि आपको क्या करना है, तो you take the wrong decision. But the universe is telling you कि wait for the day to come, wait for the problems that the other person might be dealing with, wait for that. Do not take any decision in a haste. Time though everything will come to its place. So I think that's all for Librans for the month May 2020. I hope आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो. So thank you so much for watching the video, and do like and comment also. Thank you.